Good morning, students. Today we will discuss mail mods. It is a new concept of MS Word. Here you can send one message to number of people without changing the address. Generally, when you send more than one letter to different people, we have to do the work manually. We have to do the work manually. Suppose this letter I want to send number of people. So what I will do? I will type the address. I will write to, then enter. Then I will type Mr. Okay, Pratap Kumar. Then Bakshi Bazar. Cuttack. Pin code is 75300. Suppose plus 2. This is not exact pin code. Like this, you have to type the address. Okay. Then you have to adjust. Okay. Similarly, next letter we will copy it. We will copy like this. We go to next page. We will go to next page. And this is our next page. Again, you have to copy. Again, you have to copy all the things. Okay. Then you will copy it. Then you will go to home command. Then you will copy it. Then here you will paste it. Here you will paste it. Control suppose V. Here you will change the address. Okay. Suppose this is Mr. Ashok Kumar. Ashok Kumar. Suppose instead of Bakshi Bazar, you can write Alesar Bazar. Like this, you have to change the address. Now think like this. We are going to send 100 number of people. How long it will take to prepare the letter? It is a, if you do the work manually, it is a time taking process, or it is a time consuming process. Okay. So MS Word has a beautiful feature. It is called mail merge. It's called mail merge. We can create mail merge by using two things. One is main document, another is data source. Suppose you want to invite your friend on your birthday, you have to type the invitation letter. Now you have to copy the same letter and type all the address of your friends, and it is a tedious job. Tedious means it is very difficult job. This work can be done very easily in Microsoft Word using mail merge command. Mail merge features is used to send the same letter to a large number of people at the same time. Mail merge means merging two files. Mail merge means merging two files. The process of mail merge involves coming to document. These two documents are main document and data source. Now main document. This is the document that contains the letter or the text which is to be sent. For example, an invitation. Now this is the main address. This is the main. This is the main document. I am deleting all the things. We will do. Okay. We will do mail merge manually. Mail merge not manually. You will do automatically. Okay. That's why I have deleted that address. So how will you start? Click on the mail merge tab. Now this is the mail merge tab. This is the mailing tab. Okay. Click on the mailing tab. Then start mail merge. Start mail merge. Now here letter, email message, envelope, label, directory. Okay. Normal Word document. Out of this one you will send letter. You will choose letter. Okay. So letter means this is the main document. Letter means this is the main document where you can type the information. Main letter should be in the letter. It is written, hope this letter find you in the best of health and spirit. You will be glad to know that your birthday, my birthday, fall on 20th August. I am going to celebrate my birthday at home. We shall have dance and music party. There will be a DJ party at 6:30 p.m. I invited all my friends. I hope you also come and join my party. Now here the second step is we have to select recipient. So here we can type new list or use existing list. Type new list means you can create new list. Use existing list means which is already created in your computer and you can also use it in the document. So first you will see how to create new list. You will type new list. Okay. Now these are the new list. There are so many. These are the called field. Title is a field. First name is a field. Last name is a field. Company is a field. Address is a field. These are the so many fields are there. So you no need to use all of them. You no need to use all of them. You can customize column. You can customize column. Title means you can type here Mr. or Mrs. First name you can keep. Last name you can keep. Company name you no need to keep. That means you can delete it. You can delete company name. Then address 1 for street name, address 2 for address, line 2 for area name. Okay. City, state, zip code you need. Then country, region we do not need. That means you can delete them. Home, phone also not required. You can delete them. Okay. Work phone also not required. You can delete them. Email address also not required. You can delete them. Similarly, if you want to add new field, you can also add new field. Okay. Here suppose you want to write district. So you can also keep district. You can keep district also, which is not present. Similarly, you can add it, you can also delete it. So is it clear now? Now we can click OK. After clicking OK, now we can enter the data. Like title, you can write Mr. Okay. Then first name suppose Ashok. Okay. Second name Kumar. Address suppose address is Main Road. Then Loksi Bazar. City Cuttack. State Odisha. Zip code suppose 753002. District suppose Cuttack. Okay. Now one record is over. Similarly, if you want to add more record, new entry will click. Suppose this is MRS, then Kamla Sharma. Okay, Main Road. Suppose Ranihat. This is Cuttack. District is city is Cuttack. State is Odisha. This one is suppose 753003. So this is the zip code means pin code. Zip code means pin code. Then district also Cuttack. So after that click OK. When you click OK, it will ask you the file name. It will ask you the file name. Suppose file name is address2. You can save it. Okay. Now this is known as your data source. Address2 is known as your data source. Okay. Now if you have already created, like I have already created one data list, I can use an existing list. Now see here, two lists we have created. Address 1 already created, address 2 recent it is created. So I am selecting address 1 because it is having more records. It is having more records. So here, then you will go to insert mail merge field. Now see, whatever field you have created, all will be displayed here. Now title is a field, first name is a field, last name is a field, address 1 is a field, address 2 is a field, city, state, zip code. These all are field. Now your thing is you have to insert. You have to insert. So you will type suppose 2, then comma, then enter. Then here you will go to insert. First you title. Now see, these all are the double less than after title, then double greater than signs are there. That means these are the fields. It also called variable. It also called variable. So according to the record, the data will keep on changing. The data will keep on changing. After insert, then you will click first name, then space, then last name. This is a complete. This is a complete one name, Mr. First name and last name. Then you will press enter. Then you will insert address one for the street name or area name, anything you can do. Then address to, okay, then you'll press enter. Then city, then you'll press enter. Then state, you will press enter. Then zip code means pin code, you will press enter. Okay, now so many gaps are there, you can delete them. You can delete the number of gaps here. Now this is the letter, you want to give space, then select here. Okay, go to home tab. So home to later on will go. So now we will merge it. Now we will merge it. Okay, now there is a option finish and merge. Finish and merge. Okay, you will click here finish and merge. Then edit individual letter you will click. It is asking you all means all the record it will create. Okay, then current record means one by one record it will merge. From means from 1 to 10 or 1 to 20 or 1 to 30. As you have entered the record, you can give the range. From means starting, to means ending. Suppose out of 100 record, you want to merge 10 first 10 record. You can write from 1 here from 100. You can type 1, you can type 1, you can type 100. Like this you can 1 to 10 means first 10 record will be merged out of 100. Like this you can merge if you want. There are so many options are there. Okay. Then I am selecting all. Then I will click OK. Now see. Now this is our first letter to Mr. Pratap Kumar Bakshi Bazar. This one. Okay. Then second letter Mr. Abhishek Das Bakshi Bazar, Main Road, Cuttack, Odisha 753004. Now this is the letter. Now this is third letter Mr. Pratap Kumar Bakshi Bazar, Cuttack. This one. Then this is the fourth letter. This is the fourth letter to Mr. Nandini Sharma. Okay. Bajra Kabati Road, Friends Colony, Cuttack, Odisha 75. This is the zip code 753002. Okay. Then Mr. Pratap Kumar Bakshi Bazar, Cuttack. This is another letter. Dismukh and Mrs. to Mr. Mrs. Ranjan, Matrubavan Road, near OMP, Cuttack, Odisha 753004. This is the. So like this, so many will come. These are the called mail merge. This is called mail merge. Okay. This is so many letters have prepared. Now see how many recipient we have merging. Okay, select recipient, select from existing list, suppose address 1, open. Okay, then these are the field. Edit recipient. If you click edit recipient, you can see all the record which you have entered. This is your called data. This is your called data source. This is your called data source. What is here? Okay, data source. This is your last name, first name, title. Last name, first name, title, then address. Okay, address line 1. This is your address line 2. This is your city, this is your state, this is your zip code. So how many record you have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 records. We have 5 records. So if you want to see, you can see. Okay. If you want to edit, you can also edit. I'm clicking OK. So this is your first letter. So I am not changing anything. This is your second letter to Mr. Abhishek Das, Bakshi Bazar, Main Road, Patak, Odisha. Okay. Then this is your third letter is to Mrs. Nandini Sharma, Bajrakabati Road, Friends Colony, Cuttack, Odisha 753002. This is the main document, and this is the another letter to Mr. Pratap Kumar, Bakshi Bazar, Cuttack 75300. This is the fourth one, and this is the fifth one to Mr. Mrs. Ranjan, Matrubaban Road near OMT, Cuttack. Okay, this is the second one, fifth one, this is the sixth one. And this is the seventh one. Like this, so many letter will be prepared within a few minutes. These are the advantage of mail merge. Okay, you can also print them. You can also print them by go to file menu, then print. Okay, it will ask you. Okay, printer, which printer already there? You have to select number of copy, then you will click OK. Then you will click OK. So since I don't have any printer, I am come back to the main document. So last class we were discussing what is find. Okay, now this is the find option. If I click here, I can type any word. I can type any word which is to be found. Okay, suppose I will type U, Y, O, U. Now see, directly it is locating how many U's are there. One U is there, another U is there, another U is there. These are the automatically it will find. Understood? Now if I click advanced find, if I click advanced find, Find what? Suppose I want to find U. I can find next. Find next means it is locating this U. Find next. Again one more U is there. Again 3 U's are there. Okay. Then replace. Find and replace. So find what? I want to find U and I want to convert them yours. Yours. Then I can, if I click replace all means automatically all the U will be replaced by yours. All the U will be replaced with yours. Now if you want to find one by one, then I can find next. Okay, U has selected, I can replace. Now it became yours. Again one Y U is there. Suppose I want to replace, then I can click replace. Now it became replace yours. Similarly, I want to replace this U to yours. Then I can click replace. This is by one. This is one by one. Similarly, I do not want to change here. So what I will type here? I will type find YO you are yours. I will type here you. I will type you. Again, I will find next. Yes. Okay. Now it is become you. 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 Okay. Like this you can do. Find and replace. After find and replace, there is one more thing. Paragraph spacing. Paragraph spacing means there is a space between paragraph. It is there in the paragraph spacing page layout tab. It is there. Now this is the page layout tab. I can click here page layout. Now this is the paragraph indent. This is the paragraph setting is here. Okay. Now this is your left indent. Now see what is the use of left indent. Now I have selected this much. Then if I increase left indent, now see left indent is increasing. This is called left indent. Similarly, okay, I will make 1.5. Similarly, right indent. Now if I increase this one, this right side is now decreasing. This is the right indent. This is the right indent. Understood how it is increasing? This is decreasing and this is increasing. Similarly, before after. Now if you increase the value here, before after. Now see the gap is, now this gap is increasing. This gap is increasing. This is one paragraph. This is another paragraph. Okay. After, similarly after also you can increase. After also you can increase. This part is called before. This part is called after. Understood? Similarly, I want to again bring to normal position and to auto. Then also this one I want to bring auto. Okay. Now this is about paragraph spacing. This is about left indent and right indent. Again, I want do not. Sorry. Suppose I do not want to give space. Left indent 0, right indent also 0. I want to change it again. So I can decrease it. So before doing anything, first we have to select the text. First you have to select the text. So left I want to use 0. Then this is became 0. Okay. Similarly, right ended also I want to make it 0. So I can make it 0 by decreasing the decreasing button. Okay. Now these are the called spinner. By using spinner, you can increase the value, or by down that one is the decreasing the value. So two options are there. You can increase it by using top one. Similarly, you can decrease it by using down one. So this is all about how to use paragraph and line spacing, find and replace. I hope you will like this video. See you soon. So I am closing the video now.